Hey, what's up, you guys? We're back, Eric and Tom show, and today we want to show you. We've taken butcher block, which we do a lot, and use that as our substrate for our custom epoxy countertops. And we want to show you. We got about 6 of them total we're making, and we want to show you what's going on. Check this out. All right, so look, this is the scraps left over. You can see. It's just normal butcher block right out of the store. These are the scrap pieces left over for the one in behind me here that you're getting ready to see. Okay, here's our kitchen counter that we've already got fabricated. We haven't done anything else to it yet. The biscuit joints are already in down here at this end, and we've already made our turn. That is sitting there ready. You can see the butcher block 8-foot slabs right there. There's 2 more of them. And then we just have that sitting on a little frame box there to keep everything up off the concrete. But look, so we took regular butcher block, and there's our kitchen counter. The reason we're not doing that one first is we're waiting on the sink to come in. It was a special order, so we can cut that out, drop it in. But we've already done one. We have 5 more left, and we're going to do all 5 with you all on the air, so you all can see us bring them from the butcher block state all the way to the finish. This is a black metallic base with a pearl white and silver drizzle marble wrap. It's so deceptive too. I mean, this sucker is so pretty. And then look, I want to show you with those edges. Those edges are perfect. And then right where that dent is. But these suckers are beautiful. And I'm going to tell you, we took 2 of those monster slabs and put them together to make this huge island type custom slab here. This is for their center island. So we're going to show you every bit of that. We're going to show you how we did it all. We're going to show you how we hide the seams, how we do the edge work, the whole 9. This is our first one of 5 more, 6 total. So be sure and tune in. Be sure and check it out. We got all those coming up. We want to do them with you guys. The long kitchen counter one we got, and we got 3 smaller ones for their bathroom. And then I think we have a last little one over there in the corner. So like 5 more to go, but we're going to walk you all the way down through them so you can see start to finish exactly how we go about all this. But I mean, we love them. Hope you guys loving them. Until the next one, we'll see you back real soon.